Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, today it's hot and we're gonna do a favorite summertime meal in Japan called Zaru Soba. Zara in Japanese means buckwheat, and these are buckwheat noodles made from buckwheat. Now, buckwheat is gluten-free. It's actually not a wheat, it's a seed. It's also buckwheat honey is also highly prized. That's honey made from bees who pollinate the buckwheat plants. It's high in protein, high in fiber, low on the glycemic index. It is considered a nutrient-dense food because it is made from seed. So you can buy this at your big box grocery stores or an Asian market, or of course Amazon. So one bundle is usually one serving. Now this noodle is served cold with broth. So this is Memmi Broth. Now this can be used for udon, ramen, tempura. It is a concentrate and you're gonna dilute it. Okay, so if you're gonna make tempura, for instance, you're going to use 1 part of the Memmi broth and 4 parts of water. Okay, so if you had 1 ounce, it'd be 4 ounces of water. It's a pretty simple dish. These take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Once you cook them, you're going to rinse them in cold water and you're going to dip them as you eat them in the Memmi broth. To flavor the broth, we have ginger. We're going to grind that up. Green onion, some wasabi, and for a topping, we're going to use this Japanese topping, teriyaki, and this has nori. Nori is typically garnished on the top, but this has sesame seeds, nori, and other spices. All right, so we're going to make our dipping sauce. So we're going to take some of the soup base, and we're just going to eyeball it. So 1 part of the Memmi, and we're gonna do 3 parts. As you dip the noodles in here, it's gonna dilute it. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna just take some wasabi. And add that to it. Okay, for the green onion, it's pretty simple. We're just going to chop it up. Okay, for the ginger, you can use a vegetable peeler or a spoon to take the skin off the ginger. Now we're going to take our ginger and we're just going to grate it. And all you're going to need is about a teaspoon. All right, our water's starting to boil. So we're just going to put the noodles in there. All right, we're going to set our timer for 4 minutes. And you want to turn this down a little bit so it doesn't boil over. And a chef's trick to keep it from boiling over is just put a spoon across the top. So we'll come back in 4 minutes. All right, noodles are done. Let's drain them. All right, we're draining them in cold water to stop the cooking process. Okay, now you can do, in Japan, they'll typically do ice water. I just have some cold water from the fridge. And we're gonna let them sit in there and get cool. All right, the noodles are cooled down. Let's drain them. And then we'll plate our meal. All right, we have it plated. We have it garnished with green onions. Let's go ahead and add our furikake. Now we're going to take our broth and we're going to add ginger and some more green onion. Okay, so here on this plate we have some sunomono. This is a Japanese cucumber salad which I made. I could do a separate video on that. This is great, served chilled summertime salad. All right, let's show you how to eat the soba. So you're just going to take a mouthful. Dip it in that broth. That's really good. The buckwheat noodles, if you don't overcook them, I like 4 minutes. You can go up to 5, 3 to 5, but I like the firmness of it. You taste the ginger, the hint of the green onion, and the hint of the wasabi. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. A real easy meal. Literally 5 minutes. While the noodles are cooking, you can get everything prepped up. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up button. It's the best thing you can do to help out a content creator. As usual, I appreciate you stopping by and thanks for watching.